to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a German recipe for Berliner Brot. So this one is a, how can I describe this? It's kind of a combination of like molasses with cocoa powder, with some like almonds thrown in there. It's kind of supposed to be like a German version of like Biscotti. It doesn't quite get as hard though, but anyway, let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need 1 1/3 cup or 200 grams of whole almonds, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons water, 1 1/4 cups or 250 grams of sugar, 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon pumpkin spice or Lebkuchengewürz. If you need a recipe for pumpkin spice, see the link in the card. 1 tablespoon rum, which is optional and I am not using today, 2/3 cup or 225 grams of molasses, 2/3 cup or 100 grams of chocolate chips. In a large mixing bowl, beat the eggs briefly. Beat in water and sugar until the color lightens quite a bit. Beat in molasses, add cocoa powder, baking powder, rum, and pumpkin spice. Beat in flour, and yes, my rubber spatula fell apart, but I decided to leave it in the footage because stuff happens. Fold in almonds and chocolate chips. Pour dough into greased baking dish. Spread around a bit. Bake at 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Allow to cool. So this is what it looks like fresh. It's really quite soft and chewy. The flavor is great and I love the nuts as well. If you want more firm, leave it out to get stale over a few days. This was after 2 days. As you can see, it's quite firm, but not quite as hard as Biscotti. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.